4 weeks. 4 weeks today. They're looking pretty cute, I do have to say. Especially a little Ginger right there. And these little guys. Got them a couple toys. They think they're tough already. Eight puppies, first litter, all healthy, especially that one back there. He's a super tank. But they're getting cute, playing around with each other and such. And the rest of the time, doing what this little guy's doing right there. Sleeping it away. Whole pile. And of course you got Mama. It's a good girl, huh, Bulldog? She's tired. Cuties though. They all think they're tough. They're just a bunch of sissies.